So shortly after Shane Miller started university choosing to study chemistry, he launched a handicraft business specializing in straw craft by using straw raw materials such as dry coconut leaves and thatch. He's here now to speak about making the switch. Well, I'm not certain if he's made a switch. I think he's doing both, science and art. He's with us now. Morning, Fred. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Yeah, and thank you for having me.
First thing, congratulations.
Thank you.
Because you just finished university like yesterday.
Yes,
And you now have your degree. Well,
Yes,
you
sir.
haven't officially graduated, but you're finished.
Finished.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Before we talk about this, why chemistry?
Well, it has been a passion from high school. I always excel in chemistry over the other
But where did that come from? You just walk in the lab one day and say, no, sir.
and everything just flow. And I think it all comes from like doing school challenge quiz. So I specialize in the sciences.
Which school you went to?
States.
Yeah, St. Elizabeth Technical.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Wellington. Yeah, so you just love the science from
the sciences from that time.
What can you do with a chemistry degree? You're going to teach?
I can teach it.
Is that what you wanted to do?
Yes, I want to teach.
Back at States?
Maybe yes.
Still in St. Elizabeth?
Yes, I'm still in St. Elizabeth.
So where this came from now? Where this craft thing came from?
Well, I grew up seeing my parents and my sisters doing it. So I initially started...
When you said doing it, what were they doing? Making these things?
They were making these things, but they were not using like these colored materials in it.
Okay.
They were basically using the dry coconut leaves. But they were basically making all of these things from I was born.
Okay, so when did you take up to it? You just watch them and one day you say, but I can't do that?
Yeah, so I knew how to do it from that early age, but I didn't take it up as a business until the COVID came in.
Until COVID?
Until COVID.
Wow. So you don't have a physical space, you're doing online stuff, right?
Yes, so I work from home. So basically you order the item and I will just send it to you by post office or Knutsford.
How did you balance university and this? Because you lived on campus, didn't you?
Yes, I lived on campus. But once the COVID came in March,
you had to move off
campus. To move off. So that's where I started to do this handcraft business.
Where you get this from?
Well, a lady in Brompton, St. Elizabeth, she provides us with these type of material.
Okay.
So it's basically tree.
Yeah. You said your parents never had the colored one. So the colored one is you have to color it or it come like
this? Yeah, you have a specific dye that I purchased. So I purchased a specific dye and I just, boil it, treat it and do all type of things just to get the different colors.
Okay. Are these the only colors you use? I see purple, I see a little brown, and this would be the natural color right here,
yes,
right?
This will be the natural color. So the natural color is originally green, so I put it in the sun to dry it.
The natural color is green?
Like the leaf. So it's a leaf.
Okay, right. And you just put it in the sun and
it becomes that color.
So you don't have to do anything like how you do?
None at all. So, but any color that you specifically want, I can just dye it for you. If you want blue, yellow, orange.
Does it change after a while or it will stay?
No, it doesn't because I use vinegar and aluminum sulfate, so the chemistry comes in.
Aluminum sulfate, so you're still a chemist. All right, so this hat right here, how long would something like this take you to make? This seems quite intricate.
All right, so with the hat now, I think with the hat, it basically you have to take time to do it, like maybe an hour, and then you take a break. And then you go back at it again. But mostly what I do with these hats, I customize them. I write whatever you want on them, your name, your business, and so forth. So that's basically what I normally do with the hat. And basically that is what persons want.
Yeah.
Customize.
Even though it's your parents did this, were they a little surprised that you wanted to do this? Because I think most parents still into the lawyer doctor thing. Were they surprised that you wanted to do this?
I think they were surprised initially, but once they saw that it was, seeing some success and, people started requesting things.
They help you?
My mother, she can weave, but, with age and everything, she kind of,
Is this what you make, or are there? I was noticing some stuff and you put birds on it and all kinds of stuff. So this is not the full thing.
No, this is not the full thing. This is what I have now, like in stock, because I'm doing things done to order. So I have these, like, I give these as gifts.
Oh.
So these small things, I give them as gifts. But
What do people order?
laundry basket, handbags, floor mats, table mats, bowls, bread trays, all of those kind of things. So those heavy duty stuff, I couldn't bring them. But
Yeah. How do you work out sizing and stuff? Is it an exact size, or you just make up something? I'm looking at some stuff behind you there. That's your stuff.
yes.
But how do you decide, like, how big or small, what kind of size? Is there a regular size for something like this right here? Say this one here. Is there a regular size, or you just decide to make it this size? It can be smaller, can be bigger?
Okay, so the tagline I go by is crafting your curiosity. So you basically, you tell me, you just basically tell me what you want, and I do it for you. So you say, like, I want like a 9x12 or a 8x. Just let me feel what you want.
What is it? Crafting your curiosity?
Yes.
I think you're a wicked boy now. See it. And this fella now, how long something like this would take you?
An hour and a half.
Oh, that's not bad.
An hour and a half. So that's a new design of mine. Yeah, that's a new design of mine. So I did it last week.
You can't. We don't have a lot of time. About a minute. You can just show me how you would start. What you can start. That's on the table here.
I can do a quick poster, quick.
You can do one like this.
Yeah, quick.
In a minute.
Maybe a minute. Let me see. All right. So this is the filling, and this is the wrapping. So I'm making a coaster from
scratch. But you can use anyone for the filling and anyone for the wrapping, or your specific one?
The softer piece is for the wrapping, but the tougher piece that is in the inside part of it, that makes it sturdy. Yeah.
Oh, no, man, I'm not look for it.
So the softer piece is the wrapping, and the inner part of it that holds it together is the filling. So,
you said you watched your parents. Did they teach you, or you just watch it and teach yourself?
I think they teach me, but you know what? It's so long ago, I vaguely remember, but they have to teach me because it is not easy to get it initially. Initially, you don't.
But no, you just apply to it like that.
It comes.
Every day, you see the man that move 100 miles an hour. I am not even looking at it.
It comes with consistency and like doing the larger products.
Yeah, where do you sell your stuff? Who buys from you?
All right, mostly tourists buys my products. The tourists that comes to.
So how them know about you on your online?
Basically through reels on Instagram, or like I post basically every day, update my status every day.
Okay, what's your most popular design here, or your popular item?
The most popular item I have is the laundry basket and handbag. Oh. So those items are like very quick.
Let me see how far you reach. Hold up that. No, hold up. Let's hold it up. That's right. The man almost done for you. Really good to see you.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats again on your degree.
Thank you.
Congrats. I'm sure your family must be very proud of you.
Yes, they are. They are very proud.
And keep doing what you love to do.
All right.
He's the founder of Steve's Weavers. Hold on a little bit. Where you get Steve's Weavers from?
So basically, it's a hall thing. So my hall name is G Steve. So they say they have to like give it some kind of correlation because that's the talent. So they just say Steve's Weavers.
Yeah. And if you know university hall names, I can't ask him what it means. If you know how them name people, you might be surprised. Hold it up one more time, we're going to know. That is fantastic. That is fantastic. Handicraft gentleman here, Shane Miller. All right, still to come, folks. We talk with Daniel Miller-Smith, and that comes up right after this. Stay with us, please. Soon come.
Lost a great man.